United 1001, wind calm, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, 25 right, cleared takeoff, United 1001.
Air Canada 782, runway 25 right, land at the way, 25 right, RVRs. Touchdown midpoint more than 6,000, roll out 2,400.
Line up and wait, 25 right, Air Canada 780.
Tower United 1395. Tower United 1395.
Tire came off that 75 that took off. We saw it rolling down past Bravo 7, Bravo 8, just Allegiance 2388.
Who just said the tire came off?
Allegiance 2388, that 75 that just took off, I believe United. Its tire came off and came rolling past us at Bravo 7, Bravo 8.
Okay, thank you.
Tower United 1395.
United 1001, we were just told a tire came off your aircraft.
Okay, stand by.
United 1001, we were told a tire came off your aircraft.
Alright, stand by, United 1001.
United 1001, contact SoCal departure, let them know what you want to do.
United 1001, roger.
United 1395, traffic will hold in position at Juliet, cross 25 right, ground point 75.
Cross 25 right, ground on the other side, United 1395, with tire flying across our nose, 35 left.
Did you see where it landed?
Yeah, so it went across 25 left into the cargo area that's over there to the southwest, back to the Alpha.
It crossed the runway. I think it's over down by Juliet now.
Okay, thank you.
And those tires on the other side, on the backside, let's just by Alpha.
So it's by Alpha in Quebec now, you said?
Yeah, we saw it roll past both runways down to somewhere by Alpha, Quebec, by second right, approaching the second right.
Okay, thank you.
Air Canada 782, I'm going to have to take you off the runway. We're going to have to do a runway inspection. Continue down the runway and then I'll call your exit.
Okay, keep down the runway, call our exit.
City Ops, Sally turn.
Go ahead for City Ops, 86.
We need you to do a runway inspection on both runways. There was a tire that flew across the runway from a 75 that departed.
Roger,
And we need you to do the left side first.
left side.
SoCal United 1001 checking in 2,800, climbing 5,000.
United 1001 to the departure to contact, climb maintain 12000.
Climb maintain 12000, United 1001.
United 1001, just to give you a heads up, the tower called, they think that you lost a tire on the takeoff.
United 1001, yeah, they told us. We're checking now.
Okay.
And departure United 1001, for now we're going to continue. Can you go ahead and try and call back tower and see if they have any reports of like what tire it would be or anything, or hydraulic flushes and everything are showing good?
Yeah, we can see what the tower knows. Okay, well, we'll keep you on the course.
Roger that. Yeah, we'll stay course for now. Call back tower, see if they A, found a tire on the ground, and then B, if they did, if they could tell us any more information.
1001, yeah, the tower actually didn't see it. Another pilot on the ground reported it, so they didn't have any other information.
So they can at least tell us what tire it was, that'd be helpful. The 1003 emergency aircraft, visual 34 left.
Verify call sign United 1001.
United 1001, excuse me.
1001, wind is calm, runway 34 left, clear to land.
34 left, clear to land, United 1001.
Headed 1001, and are you able to make the right turn to exit? At 1001, turn right, taxi south on Delta. Do you require any further assistance?
Exit on Delta 6 Delta. We'll just wait for the trucks to check us and then go from there.
1001, roger, you can stop there. Give me just a second, I'll get our frequency for you.
Roger.
Tower United 1232, we hit a bird on the takeoff roll.
Oh, United 1232, you hit a bird?
Yeah, sorry about that.
United 1572, use caution, company Airbus upwind, reported striking a bird on their roll here. United 1232, are you going to continue?
We are United 1232.
Very good, United 1232. Contact departure, have a good flight.
Contact departure, have a good one, United 1232.
United 1001, you can come up on ground 127.5 once you're facing southbound on Delta, they'll check you out there.